Hey, it's me, Kimmy Boutiki. Hey guys, it's me and Kimmy Boutiki. Welcome back to my channel, you fellow subscribers. And if you're new, mwah, thank you for joining. Thank you for clicking that play button. You're gonna definitely join the family. You're gonna hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it and be notified of every upload. You wanna be part of that gang notification. Yeah. Today I tried the makeup from Dollar Tree. I'm talking. A lot of this is LA Colors products. Most of it is LA Colors that they carry in the Dollar Tree and some Sassy Chic products. So I was like, let me give it a whirl or whatever. Let me see if I can fleek it. I think I did decent. It looks more like tinted moisturizer. But I tried, so I put the same effort in that I would normally do for my regular slay. So yeah, so if you want to see me go crazy, if you want to see me be frustrated trying to get this Dollar Tree makeup to work, you're going to stay tuned. Swipe, pray for me because I want to film a video after this. So hopefully the makeup comes out decent. Otherwise, I'm going to do that filming tomorrow because my face is so sensitive. I really don't like applying makeup, taking it off and reapplying it the same day. My skin needs a moment to calm down, So, face products. The Sassy Chic BB cream. So I'm going to use this as like a base to the foundation. It says skincare and makeup. I don't know. Oh gosh. Okay, this was not what I thought it was. I thought it was like a BB cream. This is LA Colors liquid makeup. This is in the color tan. Does this look like my color? I picked up a second foundation in case this doesn't work by Sassy Chic in the color dark. So if this doesn't work, we gonna work it out. Let's see. And I just wanted to do my face first. Does it look like I put anything on? What is that? That was like a tinted moisturizer. This video is about to be an epic fail. Let's try this one now. So I am putting on the Sassy Chic now. And let's see if I get a little bit more coverage. Oh my god. And this is hella thick, especially compared to what I just put on. And this is dark, okay? And it looks so light. This is quite disgusting, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna go over my beauty blender just to make sure it's not leaving any streaks because it literally feels so freaking thick. Honestly doesn't feel like I put anything on. This is about to be an epic fail, so pray for me. I'm just gonna move through this fast because now I'm just annoyed. But let me do the same thing on this side just so it's consistent with what I did on the other side. How greasy do I look? It looks so greasy. I don't even wash my brushes usually every time I do my makeup. I gotta wash this shit out of my brush. I cannot have that mixing in with my other stuff. Like, no, ma'am. I got this LA Colors concealer. Oh my god, pray for me. No coverage. I can tell already it has no coverage. Oh Jesus. It's like water. And listen, I am all for saving a motherfucking dollar, but this ain't worth even $1. Is this really my life? Look at it. It's drying. I don't know if you can tell, but it literally looks like nothing on my face. Let's do a second layer. And I'm going to dab it. I have to use powder. My Maybelline... Maybelline translucent powder mixed in with my banana powder. I have my little concoction here, just sitting here for me to dip in whenever I am ready for it. Because my face is hella greasy. And not like a dewy face, but this is doing the damn most. Try to set whatever the fuck I just put on my face. Let me do my brows. I'm just going to go in with this palette. It actually has some pretty nice neutral colors, but who knows how it blends. Dark brown here. Let's see if I can get any pigment off this bad boy. Oh yeah. Alright, just gonna fill in with this little bit of powder. It's a little warmer than I normally use. It's actually reddish. What do you guys think? Oh, That color is so off. I know you see it. I know you see it. You see me struggling, and you're probably sitting over there laughing your behind off watching me struggle right now. I'm pretty much going to throw these products away when I'm done. Like, basura, basura, basura. Dare I attempt to clean the brows up? And it's something I normally don't do, but it's really, really bad. And I feel like it needs some goddamn help. We gotta make it work. We gotta make it work. Oh, it still feels sticky and not powdered. All right, we're gonna go back into this palette here. I'm gonna put this in the crease. Right here. Let's add that. Yeah, that didn't do anything. Let me go in with this color here. Pigment. No pigment. I would like to see somebody big do this, like Jaclyn Hill, Nikki Tutorials, Jackie Aina. I need somebody to use this crap and tell me if you could make it freaking work. It looks like gray, navy, something like that. Well, whatever. We're going to... Oh, okay. That's the one thing that does have pigment? Okay. Okay. But this is another palette I have from the Dollar Tree. It actually has promise. Let's go in with the gold. Oh, gosh. It so much fell off. I barely touched it. I'm using this. It's like whatever. I don't have a liner or anything, so I'm not going to cheat with liner. But I do want to curl these bad boys. This is the mascara I will be using from the Dollar Tree. Pray I don't get an eye infection or something. Yeah, this is doing nothing. That navy color, that dark navy color. I'm just gonna smoke out the whole bottom color here. Color here. You know, highlight the brow bone if at all possible. I don't have bronzer. I'm gonna have to finagle this somehow. These two colors here. Taking the brush and just dipping into that. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's like, don't spend any money on this, like these little brushes. Just put better pigment into your products. LA Colors. Okay. It looks white. Do you see that? It fucking looks white. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to take the pink color in this palette. Try to highlight with it. I can see the white cast coming off of it. Like, girl, you know you look crazy. LA Colors matte lipstick. This is as close to a nude as I can find. It could use more pigment, and I don't really love the color. It does feel moisturizing. For a matte lipstick, it feels freaking moisturizing. I experimented. It is what it is. The question is, would I recommend any of these products from the Dollar Tree? I am going to say, hell to the no, no, no. This is my garbage bucket that I keep next to me. Everything is garbage. I don't even want my children to play with any of these. They are ridiculous. Like, it's just disgusting. Save your coin, the little $7 to $10 I just used. Go ahead and save your money and save up and buy you a nice little product every month from the drugstore, because they always have a buy one get one half off on several different makeup brands like L'Oreal, Maybelline, CoverGirl. Because let me tell you something, the Maybelline, them L'Oreal, them CoverGirl, they stepped their game up hella. And oh, don't forget about that Wet n Wild, which is like one of the cheapest brands you could get in the drugstore. Their highlighters, bellissimo. Don't buy any makeup from the Dollar Tree. Don't bother. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I was super entertaining, and I hope you'll come back for more because you hit that subscribe button, right? So you'll be back, right? All right. And if you have a little bit more time in your hands, watch a couple of videos. Yeah, I'm gonna leave a couple of videos for you right there, and it would be great if you watch a few of them. Just stay with me just a little bit longer. Like, give me like 10 more minutes, right? So like maybe 1 or 2 videos, right? Mwah, love you. Bye.